Ramaphosa uye wathi thaca uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali lwe-ofisi yakhe epalamente ekwaphinda enika ingxelo ngobume besizwe. URamaphosa uphinde wacacisa ngendima ayidlalayo kumaqonga ozakuzo kumba wemfazwe ephakathi kweRussia ne-Ukraine.
South Africa seeks to maintain good relations with all countries across the globe. As we work to strengthen ties of trade and investment, we also seek to build support for a more inclusive, representative, and equitable world order. We will continue to maintain an independent foreign policy and will use our presence in international forums to promote dialogue and peaceful resolution of conflicts.
Ramaphosa uthi uza kuthumela abaphathiswa abaliqela kumazwe e-G7 ukuze acacise ngezigqibo zoMzantsi Afrika kwimiba eliqela. Umongameli uthi nengxaki yocimicimi yombane iyaqwalaselwa.
We must reiterate that the risk of a national blackout remains extremely low. There are many safeguards in place to prevent such an eventuality from occurring.
Kodwa amanye amaqela opolitiko amgxibhile umongameli.
He promised to end poverty. What he has done and what he did is increased it dramatically. He promised clean and accountable government. What he did was stuff dollars into a couch at Phala Phala.
Let us get a proper inquiry. Let us deal with this. Let's confront it. We can't hide it under the sofa. Let us deal with it. Also, you're not going to be in office forever.
Umongameli Ramaphosa uza kuphendula kule ngxoxo mpikiswano ngolwesine kwiindaba ze-SABC. Dingubulelani Philip disepalamente.